the dark of the night, the jungle has only one ruler. And that is the majestic tiger. His grace, power, and beauty is matchless. As the jungle awakens, the tigress and her cubs relax. But something unusual happens. Who is this pointing the gun? And is he going to shoot the tiger? Well, yes, he did shoot the tiger. So what exactly happened? Well, another majestic tiger died because of humans, because of their sense of adventure and maybe for some parts of the tiger. But killing the tiger actually affects the entire ecosystem. Let's see how that happens. So you see, this is a very simple food chain of the jungle. So the plants prepare their food with the help of sun, and then the deer feeds on the grass, and tiger eats the deer, and this completes a food chain. Now in this food chain, if any one of them go missing, then the entire food chain will suffer. In fact, entire ecosystem will suffer, and that will also affect us humans who are not a part of this food chain. Now you must be thinking that even if the tiger dies, he's at the top of the food chain and he actually kills the deer. So why are we so worried about the tiger? We'll see. So deer feed on plants in the forest. Now tigers feed on deer in the forest. Now many humans kill tiger for their skin and just for adventure. So there may be a day when no tiger is alive. And what will happen when no tiger is alive? There will be no one to feed on deer. And the deer population will grow at an uncontrolled rate. And there will not be enough plants to feed all the deer. There will be so many of them. And a day will come when there will be no plants. And when there will be no plants, what will happen? Well, all the deer will die. And once all the deer and all the plants die, what will the humans eat? They will have nothing to eat. And as a result, even humans will die. So, just because the food chain consisting of the tiger and the deer broke, as a result, even humans suffered. So you see, a day will come when there will be no plants and no food for both humans and deer. So everybody suffers in such a scenario. So maintenance of a food chain is very important. All the different food chains in the environment have their own significance, and all of them need to be maintained. If they break, then a serious imbalance in nature can occur. Now, apart from hunting, even forest fires destroy precious components of the ecosystem. Because when forest fire occurs, then it kills plants and animals, deeply affecting the food chain. So you see, even in the case of forest fire, the food chain gets affected. And when the food chain will get affected, entire ecosystem will suffer. Now, forest fires can affect the food chain in forests. Is it true or is it false? What do you think? Well, it is definitely true. Forest fires actually affect the food chain in the forest, because in the case of forest fire, it harms a lot of animals which are part of the food chain. So both animals and plants are affected by forest fires, and the food chain gets affected because of that. Now, what are the major reasons for forest fire? Well, the major reason for forest fires is human activities. So humans cause forest fire. Now you must be thinking, how do humans cause forest fire? Well, humans many times burn fire in the forest, and when they don't put it out, then slowly this fire spreads in the entire forest, and all the animals and plants suffer because of that. So you see, because of simple carelessness of human beings, the entire forest suffers and forest fire occurs. But that is not the only human activity that causes forest fires. Pollution by humans increases the earth's temperature, resulting in increased forest fires. So you see, another way in which humans affect forest fire is by increasing pollution. So when pollution increases, the temperature of the entire earth increases, and as a result, there are more forest fires. Now, another major reason for imbalance in nature is cutting of forest. So cutting of forest creates an imbalance in nature. How does it happen? Well, it disrupts the food chain and creates problem in the ecosystem, because plants are the starting point of any food chain, isn't it? So once you cut the forest, then the starting point of food chain itself is damaged. As a result, the entire food chain will get damaged. And when the entire food chain gets damaged, then there will be imbalance in nature. So cutting of trees is another very important reason because of which imbalance in nature is created. So you see, major reason for imbalance in nature is human activities. So forest fires, hunting, pollution, and cutting of forests are major reasons because of which imbalance in nature occurs. So we should avoid these activities to save the ecosystem, and as a result, us too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.